Alright, here you go, Mr. Jelly Roger. Guessing some Cheetos are for you, pal. There you go. They're good, ain't they? Yeah, baby. There you go, Jelly Roger. There you go, pal. There you go, bub. There you go, pal. Good, Jelly Roger. You're so gentle with those Cheetos, ain't you? Grab them right out of my hand. Oh, goodness. I got more. Hold on. That's just a bag, man. Unless you want the bag. Hold on, man. I gotta open the bag up. Hold on, Jelly Roger. Hold on. Hey, Jelly Roger, come back. Where you at, man? Jelly Roger, here. Oh, that's my feet. Alright, see you later, man.